Okay, I am here with...
Wayne.
Hello, Wayne, and how did we do on our install today?
Hey, these guys was fantastic. They stayed and got the job done. Didn't miss a beat.
Thank you very much, and how'd you hear about us?
We heard about you through an agency, uh, uh, a home line agency and insurance agency. So,
Awesome, thank you very much, and would you recommend us to friends, families, neighbors?
oh, absolutely. I recommend your company. I recommend you two personally. I appreciate everything you did for us tonight, staying here and getting the job done. Fantastic.
Thank you, stay warm.